But now I know you really want to see this. All right, here we go. Let's roll this thing. All right. Oh, there we go. We got multiple stripes already. 3 stripes. We're going to get 4. 4. Go for 5. Go for 5. Yeah, the 5th. Yeah, okay. All right, so that was fun. Okay, so here's what we can do. We can play it, and then we can use an additive animation technique to show exactly how it adds up, and we can draw the picture that you would see with persistence of vision with your eye. That image looks very similar to what the thing looks like, doesn't it? I love this, and I think it's fantastic. So, had we known the rotational rate of the ketchup bottle, which, by the way, you timed the rotational rate of that thing in Finland by the strobe effect. There's a thing called aliasing. If you can have a strobing light and another thing, they match up. It's kind of like on a record player. On a record player, there's these little dots on the perimeter of the record player, and there's a little strobing light. And as you dial the rotational velocity of the record player up and down for your music tempo, if it's rotating at the correct velocity, the strobing light on the side will line up with the spinning dots on the side. If you're going too slow, they appear to be moving one direction. If you go too fast, they appear to be moving the other direction. You're adjusting the belts here.
Yeah.
And then this is moving. You can't see this, but it's aliasing, essentially. It's moving like this. Right now it's rolling upwards.
Yeah. So then you can...
You adjust it till you get the right speed.
Yeah. I currently don't see it from this angle, but then you can adjust it so it doesn't roll to either direction. Okay, now it's correct.
So you use aliasing to calibrate something that you can then use rolling shutter to then use persistence of vision to create a pattern. If that's what your brain is doing, or your eye, I don't know if persistence of vision is in the brain or in the eye, but whoever designed this technique added all of this stuff up to be able to measure an analog device to millisecond accuracy. And that blows my mind that a human came up with that. I think it's amazing and beautiful. So at this point in time, what I'd like to do is go back to the Camera Rescue project at the